Welcome to Caret IT Solution. Are you tired of managing your pest control and cleaning business service manually? Do you struggle with scheduling resources, managing tasks, handling large Excel sheet file, route optimization, and tracking your team progress? We understand your pain points and we have a solution for you. Introducing our Odoo ERP software designed specifically for the pest control and cleaning service provider companies. With its advanced features and functionalities that can automate your day to day operation and track and schedule resources accordingly. Our ERP software offers a range of features like resource scheduling, invoicing, billing, tracking with Google Map, route optimization, and real time field service reporting, which can help you to manage your business with ease. You can schedule activities, assign tasks to your employees, and keep track of their progress in real time. You can also generate invoices and reports effortlessly. With it, you can save time, reduce manual errors, automate workflows, upload high quality images, cloud data storage, route optimization, and increase productivity. You can also provide better customer service and improve the overall satisfaction of your clients. You can also streamline your operation and improve your bottom line and focus on growing your business from anywhere and any device. But don't just take our word for it to revolutionize your pest control and cleaning businesses toward digitalization. Book a demo today and see how our software can benefit your businesses more. Thank you for watching our video.